Hello everyone, I'm Sasha, welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'll show you how to make a moist, tender and incredibly delicious pumpkin bread. Wash my hands, let's go! First off, preheat the oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a loaf pan with a thin layer of butter. For this recipe you'll need pumpkin puree. You can buy it, of course, but I don't really like the store-bought one. I love to make puree from real autumn pumpkin. And it's really easy. Watch the video on my channel, you can find the link in the description. So put the puree in the mixing bowl. Add eggs at room temperature, canola oil or coconut oil, sugar, or you can use sugar substitute if you want, orange zest, only the top orange layer of the peel is needed, and freshly squeezed orange juice. Mix it well with a whisk or using a mixer. In other bowl, sift all-purpose flour and add all the remaining ingredients. Baking powder and baking soda, a little bit of salt of course, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, a little bit of nutmeg. I also add dried cranberries and chopped pecans. Or you can add walnuts, hazelnuts, almonds and even peanuts instead. Mix it well to combine. Then add the dry ingredients to the liquid ones and mix with a spatula. But do not overmix the butter. Remember, the longer you stir, the less airy the cake will turn out. As soon as everything is combined, you're done. Pour the butter into the loaf pan and smooth the top a bit with a spatula. Then put it in the oven and bake 50-60 minutes, or until toothpick inserted in the center of the loaf comes out clean. Let it rest for 10 minutes and take it out of the loaf pan. You can eat it warm or cool, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream or whipped cream as you wish. Or you can cover pumpkin bread with the cream cheese frosting. Beat the softened butter into the cream, add cream cheese at room temperature and beat it again. Add icing sugar and a little bit of vanilla extract. Then beat it again on medium speed just until combined. You can make it in advance and refrigerate before ready to use. Or use immediately, applying on the top of the completely cooled pumpkin bread. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds on top and that's it. Bon appetit! Look what a beautiful piece of autumn. So sunny and so pumpkiny. And it smells fantastic. Oh my god! This one is very tasty. So tender, so moist and so airy. You should definitely try it right away while pumpkin season is not over.
It smells amazing. It is so tasty. It's not too sweet, it's not dry at all, it's so moist, so fluffy. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's very good. Thank you.
The list of ingredients you can find below the video. Thank you for your likes and comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.